Hi friends, welcome to my channel Olympiad Math. In today's video, we are dealing with an interesting problem from percentage. You are given an expression like this. K equals 4ABC plus 6DEF. There are 6 variables here. A, B, C, D, E, F. And each of these variables are either increased or decreased by a certain percentage or decreased to a certain percentage. So all these variables are going through some changes from their original figures, and what would be the change in the value of in percentage terms. Here we don't know the original or the initial values of the 6 variables A, B, C, D, E, F. So the best strategy to handle problems of this kind is to choose A as 1, B as 1, C as 1, D equal to 1, E equal to 1, and F equal to 1. See, it doesn't matter what values we choose for the variables A, B, C, D, E, F, because the percentage change in K does not depend on any specific values assigned to the variables A, B, C, D, E, F initially. By choosing one, it will ease the calculation and you will be able to get to the answer as fast as possible. There is another way. You don't need to assume any specific values for the variables A, B, C, D, E, F. You can keep them as variables and give the changes in percentage terms given in the data and then get to the answer, but that will be slightly more complicated. See, let's go by the shortest approach. And this is the shortest approach I can think of. Now, assuming these values, let's find out the original value of K. All you need to do is substitute these values in the expression given to you. So it will be 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by then plus 6. Again, all the values are assumed to be 1. So you're writing 1 for everything. And this on simplification, the first term is 4 and the second term is 6. So you get 10. So based on assuming each of these variables as 1, the value of K is found to be 10. Now in the next step, we will make the changes in the values of A, B, C, D as per the percentage changes given in the data. Maybe you can call this K1, the first value, and that's equal to 10. So maybe you can write it like this, K1 found to be 10. Now let's call K2, the value obtained by after incorporating the changes given in the data. So 4 you will write as it is. They say increased by 200%. You go refer back to the question. A is increased by 200%. What does that mean? A assumed to be 1 and 1 increased by 200% of 1. This on simplification you will get 1 plus 2 and that's equal to 3. That means 1 changes into 3. Then B is said to be increased by 33 and 1 by 3%. 33 and 1 by 3% is what? This equals 33 1 by 3 divided by 100. Now 33 and 1 by 3 will be 100 divided by 3. Then there is this 100. So finally you get 1 by 3. So 33 and 1 by 3% is nothing but 1/3. So to find out 33 and 1 by 3% of a number, just find out 1/3 of the number. B original value 1 when increased by 33 and 1 by 3%, that will be 1 is increased by 1/3 of 1, which is just 1 by 3, and that becomes 4 by 3. So let me write, see 1 changes into 4 over 3. Now the next variable is C. They say C is decreased to 75%. The original value of C is 1. Decreased to 75% means that is different from decreased by 75%. Decreased to 75% means you take 75% of 1. That is this on simplification 3 by 4. So 1 will reduce to or decrease to 3 by 4. Now the next one. D is said to be decreased to 66 2 by 3%. The 66 2 by 3% is nothing but 66 2 by 3 divided by 100, and 66 2 by 3 on simplification. This when you convert into a normal fraction, you will get 200 divided by 3, and then there is this 100. On simplifying, you will get 2 divided by 3. So what do you observe? 66 2 by 3% is nothing but 2/3. So D was 1 originally. Now decreased to 66 2 by 3% means 1 is decreased to 2/3 of 1, which is just 1 multiplied by 2 over 3, and that is 2 over 3. So this is the new value of D plus 6, and this is D. Okay, this is D, E, F. This is A, B, C. Now D is decreased to 2 over 3. Then what about E? E is increased by 25%. So originally it was 1, increased by 25%. You write 1 first, and the increase is 25% of 1. 25% is nothing but 1/4, as you know. So we are just increasing 1 divided by 4. This on simplification 5 by 4. So this will be 5 divided by 4. Again, F is increased by 20%. F originally 1, increased by 20% means 20% is 1/5. Okay. So this is the meaning of 1 getting increased by 20% is 1 divided by 5. This on simplification 6 divided by 5. So this will change to 6 divided by 5. So we have given all the changes for the different variables. Now in the next step, we will just simplify. While simplifying, 3 gone, 4 gone, 4 multiplied by 3, 12. Here, look at this 5 gone. See, 3 multiplied by 4, 12. 2 multiplied by 6, 12. So these 2 gone. Finally, you will have 6, which implies 18. 12 plus 6. So what does that mean? The second value of K is 18. Original value 10 and the second value 18. Now the question is, this 18 is what percentage more than 10? How do you find out that? Now look at this. K1, 10, K2, 18. So the percentage increase you can make out just by looking at these two figures. That's just 80%. How do you calculate that percentage? This is the way to calculate. You take the absolute difference divided by the original figure. The increase is happening from 10. Okay. This is how you calculate K2 as what percentage more than K1. And this on simplification, you will get 80. So the final answer is 80%. When all these 6 variables are given, the percentage changes as furnished in the data. The change in K will be 80%. That is the final answer. So the main thing to tackle this problem is to know how to make the percentage changes in a number. See, it could be sometimes increased by or it could be increased to. Similarly, it could be decreased by and decreased to. There is a difference which I have already gone through while discussing the solution. If there is any further point to be clarified, please mention in the comment section. And also whatever observations you are making about my video, please do let me know through your comments. If you liked what you saw in the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it with others. If you would like to get posted of my latest videos, press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.